Descending numbers. Numbers are said to be in descending order when they are arranged from the largest to the smallest number. For example, 25, 21, 17, 13, and 9 are descending numbers. 449, 448, 447, 446, 445, 444, 443, 442, 441, 440, 439, 438, 437, 436, 435, 434, 433, 432, 431, 430, 429, 428, 427, 426, 425, 425, 423, 422, 421, 420, 419, 418, 417, 416, 415, 414, 413, 412, 411, 410, 409, 408, 407, 406, 405, 404, 403, 402, 401,